In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save, reopen and export projects in CapCut on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rely on CapCut's automatic saving, how to pick up your edits later without losing progress, and how to export a clean final video with the right settings. Let's begin with saving your project automatically. After you're done editing for now, or if you simply want to pause and return later, just close CapCut by clicking the X in the top corner. You don't need to hunt for a manual save button. CapCut automatically saves your current project as a draft the moment you close the app. Give it a second to shut down fully so everything writes to your draft. This built-in autosave is designed to protect your work, so even if you're mid-edit, closing the program will preserve your timeline, clips and adjustments for next time. When you're ready to continue, reopen CapCut on your PC. On the main menu, you'll see your recent projects displayed. These are your drafts, captured exactly as you left them. Click the project you want to keep working on, and your full timeline, edits, and settings will load right back in. From there, you can continue trimming, adding effects, adjusting audio, or making any refinements. If you have multiple drafts, use the thumbnails and names to identify the one you want. It's a seamless handoff from where you paused to where you resume without any extra setup. Once you're happy with your edit and ready to share it, it's time to export your final video. Click the export button. In the export window, change the file name to something clear and memorable so it's easy to find later. Choose the destination folder where you want the video saved, whether that's your desktop, a project folder, or an external drive. Next, select the settings you prefer. For resolution, choose the size your audience needs, such as 1080p for most platforms, or higher if your footage and workflow support it. For frame rate, match your project's source footage for the smoothest results like 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. For format, a widely compatible choice like MP4 is ideal in most cases. When everything looks good, click Export again to start rendering. CapCut will process your timeline and create the final video in the location you selected. That's it. Close to save automatically, reopen to continue, and export to deliver. Keep these steps in mind and you'll move confidently from draft to polished video every time.